Class will be talking about teaching us how we can list our NFTs on Binance NFT marketplace, and yeah, how we can list it and how we can sell it and make money for ourselves. So on Binance marketplace, we go from Binance exchange, we can now actually move to, we click on NFT. When you click on NFT, it takes you to NFT Binance NFT marketplace. So this is going to be a quick one and a short one, which we're going to learn a whole lot and how this works. So first of all, before you can actually list an NFT, you should actually have an NFT. You can actually sell what you don't have. So first thing first is you have an NFT. And how do you actually know if you have an NFT? Most people buy an NFT and most people are gifted an NFT. One of the NFTs I actually have here was being gifted to me by Binance Mobox NFT. So what I'll do first is I'll click on this icon that actually looks like a picture of a human being, yeah, avatar, and I'll go to the user center. I'll click on user center, and under user center it will actually show me details of all my NFTs assets available. So now you can see under here I can actually edit your name. I change it to my name, the Crypto King, so I can actually copy your UID. Can actually still use other settings and actually change that, and whatever you want to change it, the name to your name. So now under crypto assets with your NFT assets, you can see here collections. This is the collection I have, Mobox avatar. So if I click on the Mobox avatar, you've seen as I just highlighted on it, shows list NFT. So I can click on list NFT, click on it to actually take me to where I can actually list my NFT. So now there are two different methods you can actually list your NFT Binance. Any NFT you have on the Binance marketplace, you have two different methods. You can set the price and you can actually use the bid method. So now we're going to use the two methods. I'll show us how we can actually use the two methods. To set prices, for example, you actually want to sell your your Mobox avatar. Maybe when it's actually you want to sell it for 2 BNB. So on that set price, you just put input 2 BNB, put it there. Then Binance charges 2%. They actually charge 1% fee to Binance platform and 1% fee to the original creator. That is for royalties. Then you can actually choose which cryptocurrency you actually want to sell it to. Most people actually love selling to BUSD or BNB or Ethereum. So me, I'll prefer BUSD because it's a stable cryptocurrency, so that when you sell it, if price of the cryptocurrencies are fluctuating, it will actually fluctuate and your USDT is there. So I will choose, since I said 2 BNB in BUSD should be around 800 and let's say $40. So I'll say I want to sell my avatar when it gets to, I want to sell it for $850. So now I can now list. Now Binance has taken their fees $17. So if I actually sell it, I will now have 850 minus 17 BUSD. I can actually decide to list it immediately after review. So if I click on this, it will under 4 to 8 hours it will be listed on the Binance marketplace for me. Or if I use custom like list time, that means I want to fix the time in which I want to list the NFT. I can still actually do that, but the best is to list immediately. There's no need to waste. Then under here you actually have the network is under Binance. Since it's Binance NFT under Binance Smart Chain, then you can actually choose an expiring date. I'll advise you go with the 7 days. So you cannot the highest duration you can try list your NFT is 7 days. So you can actually go with the 7 days, or you choose whatever date is cool by you. Then after that you click on submit. It will now be under review. That review is Binance checking if you actually are the owner of that NFT, and so that they can actually list it for you. Then we also have another method called IS bid. Under the IS bid, you actually, like now, because it's an artwork, under artwork when they are auctioning, you can actually come the IS bid. So now here is the same thing. Here under the bid, the minimum bid, you can actually put the minimum amount that, if like the minimum amount you want someone to come and bid for your artwork. So now, for example, I can say $50 should be the minimum. Then auction a bid. Then this is the price. If someone puts in that particular price, you are satisfied with it, you can decide to sell it. So I can put, let's say, $5,000. If anybody come and auction this my NFT for $5,000, I'm ready to sell it automatically. And it's optional. You must not actually put that, but it's already very important you put your minimum bid, so that from that minimum bid, people can be starting to bid from that and above. Then the fee is actually the same, 2%, and the rest minimum makeup and the rest. Then you can actually decide to choose list it immediately or using the custom time. You also set your expiration date and you are good to go. So under 4 to 8 hours you are listed. So yeah, on that photo that you are listed, and you can actually be listed on the Binance, and anybody that wants to buy it comes in, buy it, and you have made your money. Simple, very simple. So now this is it. So they were calculating the 2% from me from the $5,000 BUSD which I set as the price I actually want to sell. So now I say after listing, I can now delist. I have listed it. I can now delist. Maybe you don't actually want to sell it again. You can click on delist and it will be delisted for you. So that's that on how to list your crypto, your NFT on Binance NFT marketplace. Thank you. Please, if you got value from this content, do well to like, share, and subscribe, and turn up post notification for other content.